Okay, gonna start this test here. I think I have the volumes up high enough. First guitar here is going to be the Gibson, 1971, and I believe this is pretty high, bright here. Rhythm pickup. Hotter than on the Epiphone. Okay, we'll do this with, here's both pickups. Down to the bridge. Back to the rhythm before I switch guitars with a clean segment here. Okay, I'm going to pause it now and come back with the Epiphone. Hang on. Okay, see, I got this rolling. I have the Epiphone now. Same thing, rhythm pickup. Oh, it doesn't sound all that much. It sounds about the same brightness. As loud. I think the Gibson has hotter pickups. Maybe not. Both pickups. to the Gibson, and we're going to do some crunch and then some higher gain, and then I'll do the Epiphone again, and then that'll be it. Okay, hang on. Okay, I'm back with the Gibson. Gonna get some little crunch tone here. Just turning up the gain a little bit. Turn the gain up one more notch. And then I'll go back to the Epiphone. Sharp, bright, right? Okay, back with the Epiphone, and that will be it, I guess. Hang on. Okay, got the Epiphone again. Well, I'll tell you one thing, my right arm is tired for lifting these two heavyweights out of their guitar stands. Okay, bridge pickup with crunch. Pick up. Okay, gonna turn the gain up again. There we go. I'll stick on the rhythm pickup for now. Oh, that's a wrong note. Okay. Well, that's it. Sorry I don't have any video, but I don't have a camera. So, just the audio, and I'll throw a couple of photos in there. But I hope this worked out. I hope you like it. Thanks a lot. See you later.